Connecting people with the latest patents, ideas and innovations is a huge part of our mission and has been for over 170 years. And we've just taken the next big step, introducing our brand new search for UK patents. The new One IPO Search makes finding information about patents easier than ever before. With the new search, you can use the new keyword search to look for patents by topic, industry or product. Search for UK patents using patent abstracts, and coming soon, full text descriptions and claims. View data in charts to help you spot trends and create reports. Build your own patent journal using powerful tools to customize your results. Search supplementary protection certificates back to 1998. And we've got even more planned for the future. Soon you'll be able to save your past searches and rerun them at the click of a button. Monitor patents so that you're the first to know when their status changes. We've had great feedback so far, so give our new patent search a try and see what you can find.